playing. So if they draw their game, I make it. If one of them wins, then I'm not making it, even if I win. Plays e4. What do I want to play against e4? Let's play a6 again. I guess I'll just play some kind of Sicilian, maybe knight c6. a6 is a little bit useless. Let's play e5. I can take and go bishop... Wait, what? They're not bishop g4 here? So if I take... Knight d2, bishop g7... This is the last round, so I'm going to go for it. If this is no good, so be it. But I'm going to go for it here. Oh, he's got knight d2, which of course I also conveniently forgot was a move. It was great. I forgot he had knight d2, so I guess I'll take then. If he takes now, I probably will take and castle, and we'll see what happens. It's the last round game, so I've got to go for something exciting here. Like, a draw is no good. I've got to win this game. I mean, draw just does nothing for anybody. But actually, naturally, this is kind of trending towards a draw, of course. In typical fashion, this is kind of trending towards a draw. What's the count? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. It's actually even material, weirdly enough. My bishop c8 maybe to hit the rook. See what he does here. I can hit the rook and then go back to e6 or go to e6 right away. My assumption is that I should hit the rook and then go to e6, probably. Let's hit the rook. Go to e6 back to hit the pawn. Knight g5, bishop c8 or bishop d7. Knight g5, bishop d7, bishop b5 is an idea too, I guess. Okay, goes e5. Again, this is really trending towards something that's likely to be a draw. That's the big problem here. I have bishop d5 to force trades, but I don't want to do that. Rook b8's a move, maybe. I mean, everything that I need to do to keep the game alive isn't really good. Maybe I've got knight 6 and queen... maybe knight c6 and queen d4, possibly? And rook b6, knight e5, too. Whatever, let's just go for it. If this is no good, so be it. Wait, what? Oh, did I hung a pawn in the... Wait, takes... Either I'm in a lot of trouble here, or I'm probably much better. I don't know which one it is. I'm trying to sack a rook and create a big imbalance, though. Okay, Laquan is still playing against Buddy, it looks like, so that game is not a quick draw, which obviously to be expected. I'm not sure what's going on exactly. Okay, so now knight h5 would just take. Like, he has to take the rook. Okay, I have queen f6 here, which is probably good enough for a draw. But I need to win this game. Like, a draw is not getting anybody anything. So I'm going to go for it here. This is not correct, to be clear, but I'm going to go for it anyway. With the two pawns. I desperately want this in... Oh, maybe I can go for some kind of funny checkmate with, like, check and rook e8. Ooh, wait a second. Rook e8, rook e4. Knight f3, king h1, rook e8, knight c5, rook e5. I feel like there should be something, but I don't see it, so I think I'm just going to go c4. There was knight f3, and maybe... I don't know. I feel like knight f3, rook e8 takes. Knight d3, rook h5, knight f4, there's nothing better there. It goes f4. Expected something like that. Okay, let's see. Knight d3 seems fine. Then rook b7 is his idea, I guess. Knight d3, rook b7. If I don't play knight d3, though, what am I actually going for? He's got rook c7, which I missed. Whatever, I'll still do it. Oh, he plays rook c2. That's not what I expected. Wait a second, what's that? f3. Oh, he's got king h2, which I missed also. But I have bishop e6, maybe? I mean, still very tricky. Let's go here. I have knight b2 to fork the rook if he takes. Still very, very imbalanced here. Very, very tricky position to play. So I also have h5, h4 to undermine the chain here of pawns. And this is really, really bad. Really, really bad. Okay, they're still playing. They're still playing their game. Okay, wow, this guy's getting very low. Okay, rook f1. Okay, I've got the chance here to win the game. I just need to be smart about how I do this. Knight b4 is a move. Knight e1's a move also. Knight b4 looks right. I take, c3. And I don't love this, but I think I'm still fine. Go here on king g5. Yeah, I have rook d3 also. I think this is still good. We got the win! Hey, I'll take it. We got the win.